Our River Valley adventure was awesome. We went sledding again because we want to have some fun before winter ends.
Welcome to week 6. Our theme this week is music. Now, have you heard the expression, the horse is headed to the barn? What does this mean? So in Alberta, we have a history of cowboys and cowboy culture. And in the past, I've been on a trail ride. So I've been on a horse that's been walking along the trail, following along. And then all of a sudden we come close to the barn and the horse speeds up and it's going and there's no turning left or right. It's headed straight to the barn because it wants to go to its stall. So I feel that's like how the EAP program is right now. You just need to hold on. Don't get bucked off. Stay on for the ride. Okay, here's what you need to know. This is our last week of SEC workshops. So if you haven't attended so far, I hope to see you at the workshops. On Monday, we'll be practicing for your grammar exam. On Tuesday, we'll listen to love songs because it is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day. Wednesday, we will be talking about how to write the best essay possible for your final exam. Then Thursday at Conversation Club, I'm making you something tasty again. I think you're going to like it. So come to Conversation Club for some conversation and a little treat. Now on Friday, we have a long-held tradition. It is the EAP potluck party at 11 a.m. All the classes are invited. We're going to gather in room AB and have a potluck. What is a potluck? It's where everybody brings a little bit of food to share. So in the past, students have brought chips or donuts, something they made, candy or pop. Hope to see you there. I want to give you a sneak peek about week 7. Monday, February 20th is Family Day. It's a statutory holiday, so no school for any of us. On Tuesday and Wednesday, there will not be any workshops. Instead, I will be offering one-on-one times throughout the day, so you can sign up and work with me. Maybe we can go over your practice exam or talk about how to prepare for your final exam. And then on Thursday, you have your final exam, so good luck. Just a quick reminder, I only work Monday to Friday, 8 till 4. So you really do need to come see me during those hours. If you email me on the weekend before the final exam, you will not hear back from me. Thanks. Usually, we interview our students for Simon Says, but this week, in honor of Valentine's Day, we asked our instructors, what do you love?
Okay, hi, I'm Dan, and I love my wife, my dog, and my nieces and nephews.
Hi, I've been asked to explain what I love. And what I love is break time! Yay! And I love it when my students do well. And this class is awesome. We have a V for victory sign. Just check out our desks. Bye.
Hi, I'm your teacher Tori, and I think many of you know I love animals, but I really love helping dogs that are in need. So I love helping rescue dogs.
Okay, hi. I'm Marvin and I love golf and the Oilers.
Of all the thoughtful things my family does for me. And I love you guys. You do such a wonderful job.
Hi, Valentine's Day, love. What do I love? I love my family, which includes my golden doodle dog. I love when the Oilers win, and I love when I can bicycle fast.
Come to play the last 2 Kahu Cup on Wednesday and Friday. So Tori is in the lead right now, but it seems Terry might take over Marvin's class. So we will do the final mark counting differently this time. We will play some games on Friday during the party and then add the points to the Kahoot. And we will see who is the final winner of the term. So encourage your classmates to come to the party and win the cup for your team. Yay!